In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can capture and facilitate student discussion via the Vevox Q&A. You can do this in identified or anonymous mode, although it is proven to increase student participation if we use the anonymous mode. Let's take a look at how we do this. I've already created my session ID. I'm in my session and I've navigated to the Q&A section of my session. One thing that you will need to do is have a look in the settings menu under the features list and make sure that your Q&A is turned on and decide if you want moderation in place or not. I have got Q&A on and I am going to pose my question to my students. So I'm going to do this via the host message. So you can type your message in here and press send, which will publish out to all of your students. Now, during my live class, I can come into my present view. I can display this back to my students as the messages are coming in. I would also advise my students to like any comments, which raises them up the board as I have it set to most liked order. Once the messages are in, I can then take my top response, which in this case is reduces sugar consumption. I can highlight it, I can address it further, discuss it, and then once I'm finished, I can remove it from the board and work through each of them in turn. When I remove it from the board, it doesn't remove it from the data. It will still be available in your data Excel file that you can download from the dashboard data tab. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks.